All right. Going on your phone, you just need to search for TradingView here, and then this is it right here. Yours will be showing download. This is it right up here. Yours will be showing download, so you can download it and open it up. All right. So when you open your TradingView chart, you will see this is the zone. You can pick the pair you want to trade. Let's say you want to open GBP USD. You can search for it and we can open it, whichever one on the Forex exchange with USD. There's more like it. Yeah, so you can open it. So this is where you change your pair on the phone. Then this 4 hours is for your time frame. When you want to add your time frame to the favorite, all you have to do is just hold it and you can start it. Here is asking me to remove the star. Let's start one that would not start before. Let's do the 2 hours. So you see, once you hold on it for a long time, it will ask you to add it to favorite, and you can go ahead and add it to favorite. So when you add it to favorite, you can just switch here to find all your favorite time frames here. So that's what that area is for. And this brush area is for you to pick your tools, yeah? This area is for you to pick your tools. And the tools that you use majority of the time, I like to add them to my favorites. Like we said in the beginning, all you have to do is hold it for a little period of time, and then it will bring out to favorite, and then you just click the star. And if you want to remove any, hold it, then remove the star. It's as simple as that. So we have the trend line, the GAN and fib. We have the patterns. Those are trade head and shoulders. All these patterns, we can add it. Then here we have our long and our short tool that we use to predict price. And then we have the shapes. This is our rectangle tool. You can add it to your favorite just as I have shown you in the other video. I'm just showing you how to get these tools from your phone. And then this area here is if you want to switch broker or you want to trade with broker. And then this guy is this layout. You want to add like two pairs, like you want to compare GBP and DXY. If you want to compare the price or gold and DXY, you can add two layouts. You want one up, you want one down. You can switch your layout from here. And then you can manage your profile. You can change your profile here. You can save to iCloud or you can create a new profile. And then these are indicators. Your bar replay tool, in the video for the laptop is up, but you can find yours here under this guy, these 3 dots here. You can find your bar replay tool. You can find this is your object tree. On the laptop is by the other side, but here you see it under these 3 dots. You see your object tree. So whatever you've drawn and you feel like, okay, I want to delete it, you can see this delete box. You can just delete any of them. Delete, and it's gone. And if you want to undo, just use this arrow right here to undo it. And you see that the short position is back to its place, yeah? So let me see what else is here. Our chart type, indicators, yeah. So that's it. Like if you want to, how we share our images here, once you're done forecasting and you want to share it, you click on this share, and then to prompt you to save it as image, you save it and it automatically saves to your phone. So this arrow is to undo what you deleted, and this arrow is maybe you've undone a lot and you want to redo it, like you deleted something and then you undo it and then you want to delete it again, you redo it. You get? Yep. And so these are your charts. This is your watch list. If you want to change your watch list, I trade mostly gold. So you see all the gold pair here, all from different brokers, so that I can compare averages. That's why you see a lot here. So you can change whatever pair you want to click the plus icon. You can search for it, then you click. If you want to add it to your watch list, click this plus icon. You see as it's marked, it's added to your watch list. If you want to remove it, unclick it. You see it has been removed. So that's simply how to add pairs on your watch list. Now what's this? This is for your profile. You want to set whatever you want to set, but we are more interested in this chart. Now you see all this thing that all this stuff that you're seeing. Let me see. This stuff that you're seeing, they are all the tools that I've starred here. I've starred them. That's why they are here. So any tool you want to see on your screen like this, you have to star it so it will show up. Now going to the chart itself. Going to the chart itself, you can see that we have our candles are in the normal color here. You see this setting, this small tiny setting down here, right here. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm using my iPhone. I wanted to use my tab, but whatever. I'm just using my phone, so let's make do with it. So you see this. This is where you come and you click on more setting. So if you want to change your candles, this is where you will change the candles. So we have the symbol. This is where you change the body of the candle. Let's change this to blue. Let's use blue. Let's use blue. And let's use white. This is white. You can see that the colors of the candles has changed. If you want to change your background to if you want to change your background to, let's say, white, it's here. Yeah. So mine is a solid and is in black. So if I want to change solid white, which I don't like, but for this tutorial sake, you see, it's too bright. So because our down candle is white, it's not visible here. So if we want it to be visible, we have to go back and change our down candle. Let's use black since you are using white as background. Can use black as our candle. So you can see now it's visible. Yeah. Now it's very, very visible. Well, I don't like this white background, so I'm gonna change it back. I'll change this back to white first. And I'll change it back to black. Yeah. So your grid line, you can add, just play with these tools here, yeah. Your text, you can increase it if you want. Just play with these guys here. You will understand what each does. Now for your alerts, when you have, if you're using the free one, I guess you can have like 2 or 3 alerts. You can come here, delete. When you have alert, you can come here, delete, and remove whatever you want to remove. So just play around with the TradingView. I just wanted to show you where to pick out the stuff that I've shown you on the laptop, in case of those that don't have laptop, so that you don't say it's laptop that is delaying you. Laptop cannot delay you. Use your mobile phone. And this area are the prices of the commodities, yeah. And this, we call them candlesticks. You can see them. I can see how they move. Yeah. So that's it for the phone tutorial. If you have any question, remember to always ask.